Hello, Dr. L here. This is a market outlook for August 24th, 2018. This is a chart of the S&P E-mini for 2018. We started out the year here at an interesting point about 2680.25. Ran up just about 200 points. And then we started down, and this is where I figured out that this power curve was ending and warned of a possible drop. And lo and behold, we did get that drop. Then we got a big rally and a big pullback. And since then, the market's been moving up in several moves, looking like a chaos clamshell. But I want to point out something about this rally. This was April 2nd. These lows are 3 or 4 weeks apart, and but something has changed here. Notice that in the last month we've gotten 3 drives to a top, and the frequency has basically doubled. The swings are coming twice as fast. Frequency doubling is a precursor to chaos. Now, every market technician in the world is seeing this as a possible double top for the year. And from this point to this point, which was Tuesday's high, is 204 days, which is roughly half of the Earth-Jupiter cycle. Interesting, this was a 200-point rally, 204 days. I like numbers. I like to pay attention to what cycles they might represent. Now this chart is a little bit closer chart, showing the rally from June 28th, going up here. And on Tuesday, I noticed that we had rallied up from this low to this high, 180 points and 3 ticks. And then we got this sharp drop. Now, when I look at this as a possible chaos clamshell, I could say here's a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if that's completing a chaos clamshell, we have come here and settled into, after this peak on Tuesday, the market has gone flat. I attended a webinar yesterday, which was about a very short term, make $200 a day trading method put on by the Denver Trading Group. And the presenter was complaining that this week had been terrible for making trades. And that's because the volatility is gone. Now, I want to point out that this was a lunar eclipse right here. And we had a very short stall here before the lunar eclipse drop. Then we made low and came back up. Got another stall here that's a little bit longer. These are distributions. There are a lot of stockholders and stock traders who are thinking that they should be taking profits. Now, last Saturday, this drop came into last Saturday. There was the solar eclipse. Now, just off the end of this chart here, tomorrow, Saturday, is the first full moon. So this is the full moon. This is another full moon. And we're looking at a possible change in energy here. So what I want to tell you is that longer term, you got to watch this high. It looks like it could be the end of a good move. And the potential is retrace all of this move, 180 points, maybe half of it. But this high could be quite significant. What to watch for? This is a 6-day exponential moving average, 2855, breaking below that, and then turning these averages down next week could be quite significant. So that's all I wanted to present to you, is what I'm seeing on a longer term basis. I'm not doing a chaos clinic today because I think day trading is, again, like every other day this week, be pretty much ineffective. So I'm going on vacation. You have if you're doing so, have a good time. I'll be having a good time hiking in the beautiful Rockies and catering to the dogs and doing some reading. So I wish you good luck and goodbye.